Businesses don't fail because they lack customers. They fail because they lose control of revenue. Today, client data lives in CRMs, invoices live somewhere else, communications are everywhere, and cash flow suffers in the gaps. CRMs were built for sales teams, but operators need something different. They need a system that understands money. WoCash CRM unifies client relationships, invoices, payments, and communications into one financially intelligent platform. Businesses collect faster. They replace 3 to 5 tools with one. They gain real-time visibility into revenue, not just pipelines. With subscription tiers from $49 to enterprise contracts, this is a scalable SaaS engine, embedded inside a broader fintech ecosystem. Every invoice, every interaction, every payment builds intelligence, creating a data moat competitors can't replicate. WoCash CRM isn't another software tool. It's revenue infrastructure. Join us as investors and help define the future of business operations.